Today, I'm sharing a few easy ways to save money on gardening this season. These are simple, practical, and proven tips that really work and will save you money year after year, not just once. In fact, most of these tips get better and better with time. Starting plants from seeds as opposed to buying starts will save you tons of money. And also, starting to save your own seeds is such a valuable and worthwhile skill to learn. If you do save seeds, it's usually best that they are heirloom varieties, and that means that they'll bear a similar fruit to the parent plant. Seed saving is one of the biggest money savers in the garden. It's surprisingly easy, although it does take time and patience. Once you start saving seeds, you can stop buying new packets every spring, and you can slowly build up a seed collection that's adapted to your specific garden and climate, and that makes your garden so resilient. Investing in a soil blocker goes hand in hand with saving your own seeds. This neat little tool lets you start seeds without plastic pots, trays, or constant repurchasing of containers. What it does is it presses damp soil into blocks where you can plant your seeds directly. This gadget will make you feel unstoppable in your seed starting game in the garden this year. The roots air prune naturally, and soil blocked seedlings are always super strong and healthy. There's virtually no transplant shock, as you can just pop these soil blocks right into your garden wherever you want. It's a great investment that lasts a long time, and it pays for itself quickly. Healthy living soil is foundational for an abundant and productive garden. And making your own compost and soil is one of the most valuable things that you can possibly do in your garden. Instead of having to buy bag after bag of soil and fertilizer from the store, you can turn kitchen scraps, yard waste, cardboard, leaves, and garden trimmings into rich living compost. You can speed the process up by adding things like composting worms or even livestock like chickens and rabbits. Compost improves soil structure, it feeds your plants, it holds moisture better, which also means less watering. Not to mention that anything that you make in your backyard is going to be far superior to anything that you can find in the store. By propagating plants from cuttings and divisions, you can literally multiply the amount that your garden produces. Many herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary can all be rooted very easily from cuttings. Figs, tomatoes, and elderberries are also super easy to propagate from cuttings in water. Perennials like chives, strawberries, hostas, and daylilies, and many, many more can be divided into multiple plants. One healthy plant can often turn into 5 or even 10 with a little patience, and suddenly your garden is multiplying itself for free. And my last tip is using what you already have instead of buying new garden supplies. Gardening is about resourcefulness, and it really does take time and layers of progress over many seasons. If you're gardening on a budget this season, focus on tools and habits that save money long term, not just quick fixes. A little planning, a little reuse, and a little patience can go a long way. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.